हालिया सैलाब की वजह से काफ़ी लोगों के घर, काफ़ी बच्चों के स्कूल और उनकी सारी ज़मीनें डूब चुकी हैं। हमें उनकी जितनी मदद करनी चाहिए उतनी हम कर सकते हैं। हमें उनको खाना देना चाहिए, उनको शेल्टर देना चाहिए और बाकी वगैरह चीज़ें देनी चाहिए। हालिया सैलाब की वजह से काफ़ी लोगों की जान भी जा चुकी है।
Hello everyone, my name is Suman and I'm from Elysian School Junior Campus. I am from grade 4 and I'm here today to talk about something very important. Recently, Ghazir was severely affected by floods due to climate change. Many people are in need of our help. Our school across all campuses has come together to collect charity for the flood affected people.
I really want to help the people who are in need because it makes me happy and thankful. People are affected by the flood. We can support them by giving food, clothes, money, and other essentials. Let's show kindness. Help those in need. A very small thing can make a big difference. हालिया सैलाब की वजह से काफ़ी लोगों के घर, स्कूल और ज़मीनें सैलाब में चली गई हैं पानी में। हमें जैसे भी करके उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा मदद करनी चाहिए, जैसे कि उनको खाना, पानी, कपड़े, जूते और दवाइयाँ देकर हमें।
Obviously, the ultimate goal of education is not just building on the students' knowledge, but helping them grow as empathetic, caring, and responsible citizens. And we are really proud of our students that they are actively contributing to this donation campaign for the flood affectees. And we are deeply saddened about the losses that recent flash floods has caused throughout GB. And we are hopeful that this minor contribution from our students will give them a bit of relief.
Assalamu alaikum. I am the student of Elysian School System Zulfikarabad Senior Campus Gilgit, and we have collected some donations to help the affected people of Gizar who have been flooded recently. And as we are Muslims, and it's our huge responsibility to help our people when they are in need. The purpose of collecting this donation is to boost the civic sense in the students of this institution and to help the affectees of Gizar. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Sajid Ali, principal of Elysian School, Zulfikarabad Senior Campus. We are collecting the donations in the form of cash, warm clothes, blankets for the people who have been affected by the flood in Gizar.
Hello friend, my name is Nuzuddin and I am from Elysian School, Stial Campus, Gilgit Baltistan. Today we are organizing the charity for the people who have lost their home due by the flood in the Gizar. They are homeless people that we are helping them. Okay. Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about charity. Why charity is important? Charity is important for the poor and helpless because we can help them. Hello, and my name is Alian. Today I will be telling you guys about why do we need these charity boxes behind me. This school, Elysian School, has did the charity boxes ever since the flood has happened in August. Ever since the flood happened, people were injured and even fatal.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tahir Ayub, principal of Elysian Jutial Campus. We have organized a charity week here for the affected people of Gizar. It is the teachings of Holy Quran as well as it is the demand of the humanity that we should help those who are in need. So by the directions of our Elysian head office and our respected directors, we have organized this 1 week charity campaign to help those who are in need, and the students have participated here with great enthusiasm as well as with great empathy and sympathy.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये जो पूरा हफ़्ता हमने सैलाब ज़दगान के नाम से स्कूल में एक हफ़्ता मना रहे हैं, इसके बुनियादी 2 मक़ासद है। एक तो ये है कि हमारे जो मज़लूम और जो मुतासिर भाई हैं उनके साथ ताउन हो जाए, और दूसरा जो मकसद है वो ये कि हमारे बच्चों के अंदर एहसास ज़िम्मेदारी और अपने गरीब भाइयों के साथ ताउन करना। और फिर इस्लामियात में बहुत सारे ऐसे उन्वानात मौजूद हैं, ईसार हमदर्दी है, इसी तरह हुकूकुल इबाद है। तो इस तरह के उन्वानात को अमली तौर पे जो है बच्चों के अंदर एक जज्बा पैदा करना है, ताकि वो इन उन्वानात को समझ कर जो है इन पर वो अमल कर सकें और उनके अंदर अपने मुसलमान भाइयों के साथ मदद का एहसास और जज्बा पैदा हो सके।